We're doing a barbecue chicken pizza. First of all, what I want to let everybody know, we're using a store-bought pizza shell. It's already prepared. It's not fresh, raw dough. These work great. My daughter Allie has done them many times and has impressed the entire family with whatever she has done. We picked this up at our local supermarket. If you can't find this particular brand, what is it? Wood Grill, all natural white pizza, Crust, there are other brands available.
All right, so we're gonna start with our pizza crust, and I'm gonna start with some olive oil. Now we're gonna put a little bit of garlic, just a little bit, not too much. I'm gonna take our brush, I'm gonna brush it onto the pizza. I like to do it all the way to the edge, that way the edge gets a little crispy in the grill. And now we're gonna put on our cheese. And this is just mozzarella.
Yeah, we just have a shredded mozzarella.
You know what's good too? If you do like a cheddar cheese or like a mix, that's good too. Mozzarella is the classic.
Yeah, you have so many options with doing these, and feel free to experiment, use what you like. Well, like Ali said, mozzarella is the most popular one, but you know, sky's the limit. You can really get creative with these.
All right, so we have our cheese. Now we're gonna put on our chicken. And this is what my dad chopped up for me.
Now this is a store-bought rotisserie chicken. Very convenient for doing these pizzas. There's no need to be grilling off, roasting off chicken in order to do this, unless of course you want to go that route. Perfectly up to you, but a store-bought rotisserie chicken. This is all about convenience, where everybody can get involved and have fun doing these.
Yeah, okay. So that's our chicken, and now I like a little bit of red onion on the top of mine. I like to strategically place it. That way they're not on top of each other. All right, so now what I do is I put the barbecue sauce on top. That way it gets nice and caramelized and like gooey in the grill. Just a little design. And that's it.
All right, that's looking great. Now we're gonna go to the grill with it. If you have like a 4-burner grill, anything with a little more cooking space on it, like Ali said, it would probably better to go a right side fire and a left side fire and leave the middle part off. That way it's gonna get even cooking rather than just one side on, one side off, because we're probably gonna have to come out here in a minute or two and give it a rotation.
Yeah.
12 minutes, we're gonna get this off.
This off for you.
Cheese is all melted, it's red hot. Looks absolutely delicious. I can't
good.
wait to check this one out.